In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to list products on Depop account. Let's get started. First, launch your Depop app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Then click on three bars, select the option Sell. You'll be directed to this page. The first thing you need to do is upload clear photos of the product you want to sell. You can take pictures directly from your camera or select them from your gallery. Make sure your images are bright and show the product from different angles so buyers can see clearly what they are getting. Next, add a title for your item. Keep it simple but clear. After that, write a detailed description including size, condition, brand, and any important information buyers should know. Now set your price. You can choose a fair price based on the condition of your item or what similar products are selling for. After that, select the correct category, item, condition so your listing appears in the right searches. You can also add shipping details such as where you are shipping from and how will you send the item. Depop may suggest shipping options automatically based on your location. Once everything looks good, just tap on post listing and your product will go live on Depop for others to see and buy. And that's it. Now you know how to list a product on Depop. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.